Forsante automates clinical treatment processes for diseases that require monitoring. Forsante keeps the patient involved in the treatment process. It reminds the patient of their upcoming laboratory visit with a text message. Forsante automatically monitors laboratory results, freeing the healthcare professional to work on other tasks. The INR values and other results required to monitor direct anticoagulants are transferred from the laboratory directly to Forsante. Forsante automatically calculates the correct dosage of warfarin, as well as the subsequent follow-up date, and informs the patient with a text message. Forsante's automation saves up to 80% of the time spent on anticoagulation treatment. Instructions for patients whose treatment is under control are sent automatically from Forsante, leaving more time to meet patients who require an appointment. If the patient's laboratory results require attention, the healthcare professional will see an alert in Forsante's user interface. This allows professionals to focus on the patients who require attention. Forsante calculates the new dosage automatically based on the laboratory results. This speeds up and facilitates the healthcare professional's work and prevents human errors. The patient receives the new dosage on his phone right away. Forsante enables a seamless continuum of care throughout the healthcare region. The patient's data remains in the Forsante service even after a move, for example, from an assisted living facility to a hospital or from one health center to another. Core components of Forsante services are CE-certified medical devices. It is extensively integrated into various patient information and laboratory systems. Forsante's software is certified as Class A, the highest classification in data security, and is audited annually. With the help of Forsante, the treatment process is standardized, which results in improved treatment and quality of care. Forsante offers peace of mind when making treatment decisions, improving the patient's and medical staff's satisfaction. For health, for trust, Forsante.